Quantity, I didn't. We are finally done. C'est tout. Oui. Guys, it's all fun and games till the bill comes. Hi guys, so about
as you all can see, I'm the one doing whatever is gonna happen here right now. Are you taking a
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome and welcome back. I'll be spending the day with my sister Kate. Today we are going to be cooking together. We are going to make some sharp stew. See, we are not going to waste time and do anything serious, alright? Something very quick to feel don't do this. I'm here. I'm recording the process, everything. So I'm part of this production team. Do you get it? So yeah, let's get straight into it.
What's happening here? Why go?
So guys, I'm going to get a couple of stuff so that we can continue cooking really quick. Oh, a lot has gone on since I was away. So guys, we have the pepper, the onion, and the tomatoes. It's time for a water break. About it.
Very intentional, and I do like similar things.
I'm being intentional about. Just add a little bit of water.
Quantity, I didn't do anything.
You didn't see any of that. That ain't me. Disclaimer, that ain't me. Chef Papa. Miami San. From Danielle and San.
Huh? Oh, what did you say? I didn't hear. No, wait. No, like.
She has already buried me in her head. So guys, we persevered and prayed before the Lord, and we are finally done. The rice is almost ready. The stew is
done. The rice is not yet ready.
Almost ready.
Not yet ready. Not even
and
halfway.
The stew too is done. So
the stew is done.
We put two and two together, and you know the business will go down.
Only why?
You and I. C'est tout. Oui. It's supposed to say we. Who is we? Why you speak French now?
You won't get to.
No protein. But it's still.
What is this macro?
Fish, no.
It's macro. No protein, man.
That's because of small no protein. I said
no protein, man.
Macro one.
There's macro. Very big macro in the stew that I put in. I can't cook without protein.
Please forgive me.
How?
Mimi protein, lamb, chicken, beef.
Please.
Bacon.
The food was prepared by a vegetarian.
How did it vegan? So guys, I'm rocking my braids from the last time because I have no choice. I really have to go out and go and shoot, but I'll go and take them down as soon as we are back. I'm currently getting ready to go with my sis out.
I forgot you are the one who knows the place, so you have to go.
Cafe Banois.
Call the ride, I'm not coming.
I don't have both on my phone. I've been taking Trusky all this while.
This is so true. Look, now we're here now for you.
That one, it was Uber. It was Uber. Why you want us to take Uber?
Whichever one, you know, you the same thing. Different venue.
I'm recording. They never said any makeup product has one use. Did they? It's another brand new day, okay? And we are going out for some content, okay? And have some fun. We also have fun at the same time, you get it? So my sister and I will be heading to Cafe Banois. And as you can see, I'm not ready, but the boat is almost here. We will still find a way out. Minimal makeup because your girl doesn't know how to do makeup, so it's just brows. Now this is where I forgot to apply lip gloss. I always apply lip gloss because it makes me feel good, and I love the way my lips look with them. I was in a rush, so I forgot a couple of things as well. This whole thing is rushed. I'm doing my edges in the car. I don't feel so good without lip gloss, but we'll do a peace sign and then keep it moving. Focus. The fuck? Guys, we are here. I left my gloves at home. So today is no, but once again, peace sign. Let's move, go about with our lives. All right. Okay guys, there aren't a lot of people here. The sun is sunning. It's sunning. You don't understand.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about
The
it.
sun really looks good from this side. I think I'm going to come back here again, honestly. I'm going to come back here again. It's probably another day. Another good day. Because I love it. I love the ambience. I love everything. Let's go. Ordered now, so there's something just for photos. Obviously, we are here for the photos. Yep, let's do this. It's all fun and games till the bill comes.
Bless you. Already on Afram. Okay, so
Oh, Cafe Banois, so black I hope it's. How good is it?
Love it.
I just wish it were natural.
Natural or not, please. We are here for the photos.
Okay, let's see how the pancakes are. Very nice packaging though. I like the way they package their stuff, right? How is it? It's good? Nice. Guys, see how well black complements yellow, or should I say how well yellow complements black? It's everything. It's everything. And made for this aesthetic.
So guys, so far so good. It's been amazing here, honestly, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to come back here once again, probably in another outfit. I came with Dr. Ann. So if you see the photos on my TL, just know Dr. Ann took them. You know, sometimes the tripod doesn't save you. Sometimes you need a sweet sis, a sweet doctor in your life to change things. So guys, say thanks to Dr. Ann for helping me create content today. I might come here again probably with my tripod on another day, or I'll just come with someone else, or maybe her again, because I know she might want to come here again. If she doesn't want to come here again, we'll just come with our tripod. Simple. It's all fun and games till the bill comes. Guys, today was almost a film, and it's because I came here to create content. Okay, I was supposed to be taking full photos, but I couldn't take full photos. But you know how we do. We are going to make things work one way or the other. I realized that I rushed out of the house, okay? And do you know what happened? I was supposed to shoot with black laser fuse. I picked different pairs of the same views. Let me show you guys what I mean.
All your friends are online.
So guys, this is it. So I picked this, all right, and then I picked this. These are two different heels. Do you get it? This is what I was supposed to be wearing, but because I was rushing, I picked different pairs. So I ended up taking only half shorts. You get it? And I even wanted to wear my hoops for the shoot, but then I picked just one. So I was going to use my hoops, okay, but then I realized I bought just one. You get it? And I had to use these ones. And I think they still did the work, okay? And I'm glad with how the photos came out. I'll be posting them on my feed soon. Excited! So yeah, we'll be heading home right now. Today was successful and it was amazing. I really love this place. I'm surely going to come again with my tripod. So guys, we are done. We're going, leaving the location. Uber is already here. Today was successful. Say hi to Dr. Ann. She made today successful. So, we have some. Wait. how we do. Okay. What was even annoying was the part where I picked different, hues because I was rushing, and the fact that I couldn't even wear the hoops that I wanted to, and I had to wear these safety pin earrings, which still did it for me. But anyways, we still had a very great day, and the photos will be on my Instagram feed. I'm pretty sure by this time if you're watching this video, you might have seen them already or not. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are new, kindly subscribe if you've watched up to this point. I mean, what are you waiting for? If you've watched up to this point, you're clearly in love with me. It's right here. Click it, the red button, and join the family. You'd love it on this side. Trust me, I'll be happy to have you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I am not enjoying this at all. I should be sleeping.
It's going down, down, down.